Why are Ramanujan numbers considered minimal? Imagine discovering a number so special that it defies what most numbers do. That number is 1729, and it holds a unique place in the world of numbers. It's called a Ramanujan number, named after the famous mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. But why is it called minimal? Well, it all comes down to how 1729 can be written as the sum of two positive cubes in two different ways. This makes it the smallest number with such a property. No smaller number than 1729 can be expressed as the sum of two positive cubes in two different ways. That's what makes it a minimal example in this area of number puzzles. To see why, look at its two different expressions. 1 cubed plus 12 cubed equals 1729, because 1 times 1 times 1 plus 12 times 12 times 12 equals 1729. The other way is 9 cubed plus 10 cubed, which also equals 1729. So, 1729 can be written as 1 plus 1728 or 729 plus 1000. This is a rare pattern because most numbers can only be written as the sum of two cubes in one way, if at all. The story behind this number is quite famous. G.H. Hardy, a mathematician, once visited Srinivasa Ramanujan in the hospital. Hardy mentioned that 1729 seemed dull, but Ramanujan immediately pointed out it was a very interesting number because it was the smallest number that could be expressed as the sum of two positive cubes in two different ways. This story highlights why 1729 is called the Hardy-Ramanujan number. Beyond this, 1729 has other interesting traits. It is a composite number, meaning it is made from multiplying smaller prime numbers. Its prime factors are 7, 13, and 19. It is also a Carmichael number, which relates to special properties in number theory involving pseudoprimes. Geometrically, it appears in sequences of figurate numbers, like centered cube numbers and dodecagonal numbers. These patterns show how 1729 connects to shapes and arrangements in math. The minimality of Ramanujan numbers like 1729 is important because it shows us the smallest examples of fascinating numerical phenomena. It opens the door to discovering more numbers with similar properties, called taxicab numbers. These are numbers that can be written as the sum of two cubes in multiple different ways, but always starting with the smallest possible number. In puzzles and curiosities about numbers, Ramanujan numbers stand out because they combine simple ideas, adding cubes, and reveal surprising patterns. They reminded us that even basic operations like addition and multiplication can lead to complex and beautiful structures. So, the next time you see 1729, remember that it's not just a number, but a key to understanding how numbers can surprise us with their hidden relationships.